wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best milkshake makers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Oster Chocomilera sports an attractive retro style that's reminiscent of 1950s soda shops. It's automatically activated by inserting its aluminum cup, and its dual agitators ensure you'll get the proper consistency every time. There are measurement indicators on the cup, and it has a weighted base to provide stability. However, some may dislike the distinctive color. At number 7, okay, so it's not technically a milkshake maker, but there's no reason the Breville BSB510XL immersion blender can't be used as one. It has a powerful motor, can puree almost anything, and comes with a smoothie jug and a chopping bowl. It's great for making soups or sauces too, and the compact size allows for easy storage, but it can't be operated hands-free. Coming in at number 6 on our list. No matter how little counter space your ice cream shop or restaurant has, the Waring commercial DMC 180DC-A can still fit, since it's designed for wall mounting. With 1 horsepower of peak power and a single motor, it can pulverize any ingredients you add to your treats. It's only 4.5 inches wide and capable of 24,000 RPM. It holds the cup securely during blending. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for milkshake makers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Hamilton Beach HMD 400 has a slightly more attractive design than traditional triple spindle models, though it does take up more counter space too, so if your cafe is lacking in this department, it may not be a smart choice for you. It includes removable cup guides, independently powered motors, and a pulse switch for added control. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Waring commercial WDM120 has a slotted base platform where its cup can be securely left when not in operation. It can stand up to daily use and is perfect for a cafe or restaurant that makes a lot of shakes throughout the day, but only needs to produce 1 at a time. It comes with a butterfly agitator and a 3-speed rocker switch. It can handle very hard ice cream. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, offering professional power and easy multitasking, the Waring commercial triple spindle is a heavy-duty model that's constructed of strong die-cast metal. It'll stay cool to the touch through even long periods of high-volume use. It's equipped with powerful 2-speed motors and can be wall-mounted. It produces very consistent results. At number 2, with its convenient tilting head, the Hamilton Beach 730C allows you to make your shakes in whatever position you find most comfortable. It has a small footprint and is available in 3 colors, making it perfect for practically any home. It features a detachable spindle for easy cleaning, a cool retro look, and a large 28-ounce mixing cup. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Hamilton Beach HMD 200 is durable and powerful enough for commercial use, yet sleek and attractive enough for homes, making it a smart choice for a range of different kinds of buyer. Conveniently, it allows for manual and automatic operation. It offers 3 blending speeds and dishwasher-safe components. It also works well for eggs and batter. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for milkshake makers, or simply click beneath this video.